In the marshes and beaches, there is a group of birds in the order Chiadriformes that have adapted to these environments. They tend to have long beaks and legs. They eat aquatic invertebrates and often migrate long distances. These are the shorebirds, and this video is about 7 amazing shorebirds filmed on this channel. The first species I am going to show you is the sanderling. They eat little invertebrates either by probing the high tide line or by going near the water and running if a wave comes. In the winter, they are found on beaches all over the world, but in the spring they fly up to the high Arctic to breed. It looks like they have only one leg, but in reality they have the other one to their chest to stop themselves from getting cold, because there is warm blood in their legs but cold blood near their hearts. The next bird I am going to show you is the semi-palmated plover. Like most shorebirds, they breed in the far north, but unlike sanderlings, they have a range restricted to pretty much just the Americas, and this sanderling needs to watch where it's going. Now this plover is pissed off. But anyway, you may have noticed that semi-palmated plovers have shorter beaks than other shorebirds. They use it to quickly take or peck their prey. These birds have a very interesting diet that consists of invertebrates like worms and insects. The plovers are very visual birds and use mainly their eyes to hunt. They also have good night vision, allowing them to hunt in the dark. During the breeding season, they are usually solitary. However, during migration, which is right now, they can be found in flocks. And during the winter, they are found on beaches. Along the Delaware Bay is another kind of shorebird, whimbrels. They are found worldwide, and during the summer, which is right now, they are supposed to breed in the Arctic, but for some reason these ones are down here. Whimbrels are one of the world's 8 species of curlew, and they hunt in intertidal zones. They eat marine invertebrates, and their favorite food is fiddler crabs. Their beaks are curved so they can pull them out of their burrows. At the same time, at the same place, is our next shorebird, the American oystercatcher. They are found along the coasts of North and South America, but north of Mexico they are only found on the east coast. The birds eat almost entirely bivalve mollusks, which are things like clams and oysters. They get to the cell's soft insides by searching for ones that are slightly open and cutting the muscle that allows them to close. Oyster catchers may also just break cells with their big beaks. This is a ruddy turnstone. They are found on the beaches of every continent on Earth, except for Antarctica. These shorebirds are almost as widespread as sanderlings, and like them, they breed in Arctic tundras. During the breeding season, they eat flies and other insects. In the non-breeding season, they eat mollusks, crustaceans, and even the eggs of other birds. They are known to flip over stones and seaweed with their beaks that point upwards slightly to find prey underneath. Since it is migration, some are beginning to lose their breeding plumage. Further north, in Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge, there are American avocets. Most of them breed in the western United States and spend the winter in the southern part of the country, or in Mexico. For some reason, these ones spend both the winter and the summer here in Delaware, even though they are not supposed to even live here. Avocets use their thin beaks that point upwards to sweep through shallow water to catch aquatic invertebrates. These birds are also known to just grab prey with their beaks by sticking their heads underwater. The final bird on this list is the closest relative of the American avocet in North America and is the only other bird in the family Recurviostridae native to the United States. This is the black-necked stilt. The first thing you will notice about this creature is its long pink legs. Stilts have longer legs in proportion to their body than any other bird except for flamingos. They have those long legs because it gives them an advantage while hunting in shallow marshes like this one. They are found from Argentina to Montana and are actually one of the few shorebirds that breed in this area. These two are likely a pair. Both the male and the female work together while creating the nest, which is made near water and on the ground. The mother lays 2 to 5 eggs. This black-necked stilt is making calls, likely trying to communicate with the other one. They can be semi-colonial and can be found in flocks with other stilts, or sometimes in flocks with other birds. However, during the breeding season especially, they can be aggressive and attack other birds, even ones bigger than them, like this ibis. Anyway, thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day.